Hey, so on one hand, I'm really happy that the garage is built. On the other hand, I am really overwhelmed because everything from the house that didn't have a home has found its way here. Some of that stuff is in boxes and some of it isn't. And you can see just how insane it's looking. On this side, I have some level of organization going on, but not really. Like, those shelves are they're just kind of storing things, you know? I managed to hook the bikes up. That saved me a whole lot of space. I got some nice storage units from Home Depot. But I still got a whole bunch of stuff on the ground down here. How am I going to get through this? I talked about this in the video I posted earlier, but I got to have some kind of strategy. So I think, right now, there's just so much stuff. And I'm not particularly good at organization. So I kind of have some strategies that I've started to use. One such strategy, bleh. I'm not double taking this, so there it is. One strategy is to get a tub and just go through a pile like this, right? Where there's just a whole bunch of things, and try to pick out something of a particular type. For example, maybe in that pile there are screwdrivers and wrenches. So I could go into that pile, find all of the screwdrivers and wrenches, put it into this tub, and then once I feel like this tub is full enough, I can take the screwdrivers and wrenches and go put them into the screwdriver and wrench giant drawer. I don't know. That's not that organized, but it's a level of organization because the screwdrivers and wrenches were in a pile of random crap, and once I do that, they'll be in a drawer of random crap. Well, not random crap. It'll be random tools, which is more organized than it was. So that's one strategy. Another strategy is to go through things and just find trash like cardboard, waste wood, and get rid of it. Just to get it into the trash. It's less stuff for you to visually process, right? And then besides that, the big goal is to take these ludicrous piles that are on the floor and get them into tubs, just like these, and then pile them up into really scary towers just like this, so that I can go through them later. It sort of sounds like I'm pushing that off. However, having the floor clear and having the shelves cleared off and then being able to grab one tub and go through the tub and put things in places or choose to throw things away will be a much easier way to do it. Because right now, with everything all over the place, I can't even focus on one thing. Like, I might, I might decide to go and, tidy up the one of the drawers, and in my journey to the drawer, I'm tripping over things. And you gotta get the environment clean before you can do anything else. So that is goal A of goal 2. Step A of goal 2. I don't know. Whatever. Gonna try to get things off the floor. That's my primary objective right now. And just kind of clear this up, and we'll see how it goes. And trying to get to the place where I just have tubs of things that I can grab, make an active effort to go through, and then slowly I will dwindle through that stuff. I don't want my garage to come like the typical garage where, you drive past someone's house and you see the garage door is open and the garage doesn't have any cars in it. It just has stuff, because I think that's where people collect their stuff. And I don't want to do that. I know that's the kind of thing that I would do, so I have to make an active effort not to do it. Anyway, let's see if this happens. I'm feeling pretty exhausted. I did get some TVs mounted today and a microwave. I guess that really counts as procrastination though, because that wasn't my goal this weekend. So if I didn't get this done, I really screwed myself over. Anyway, yeah. Oh, one last thing. I did manage to build this work surface out of I think it's 2x6s that the builders had left. They couldn't return the material because there'd been some nails in it. So they left the materials here. Anyway, so I built this work surface out of it. It got it off the floor and, you know, made use of it. And now I have a work surface to pile more crap onto. So that's awesome. All right, I'm out. I'll post another video when I actually make some progress. Bye.